What's up, everybody? Zeke here from Fellowship Blades. I'm the machinist here. I handle all the manufacturing. Today we're going to go over how we make our blades, all the way from the rough stock that we receive into the nice, beautiful, polished blade that y'all will get. So first off, we order our material. It comes to us like this, 24 by 36 inch sheet. We send it to our laser in-house, get it cut out into nice little coupons. We get them out of the laser like this. They're a lot rougher when we get them. After the laser, they go to our surface grinder, where we rough grind in the normalized state. So that means that the material will be a lot softer and easier to manage. We hold a tenth on all of our tolerances, which is 0.0001. We found that holding tight tolerances throughout the entire process makes all the machining easier. It makes everything more repeatable. And it also means y'all will get a better product in the end. After rough grinding, we set them up on our Haas. They go onto these nice quick change pallets, which you'll see here. Lots of locating features, lots of clamping, make sure everything comes out great. So you'll see that we mill the bevels, we'll mill everything on it, all to a rough dimension. Flip it over, we'll do the second side. After all the milling is complete, it goes into the kiln for half an hour at 1,950 degrees, quenched in our aluminum plate setup. From there it goes into cryo, and from cryo it goes into temper. After heat treat, quench, and temper, they go back onto our surface grinder to be finish ground. Same thing there, we hold everything to within 1/10 parallel, 1/10 flatness, 1/10 thickness. Take our QC very seriously. The way we check is with this Mitutoyo Quantum mic. Checks all the way down to 5 decimal places, which we do use. After finish grinding, they come back, get put back on this pallet so they can get milled. They'll get finished milled, and they'll get cut out, and you end up with this. So as you'll see, all of this gets cut out, and we're left with a blade. Very coarse, has all the heat treat scale on it. From there, we take it to our laser, and we polish off the bevels with the laser. We found that laser polishing is much better than sandblasting, to be honest. Sandblasting takes a lot of time, you have to keep up with the machine. Laser polishing, it's faster, it's easier, it's a lot cleaner. After laser polishing, they get tumbled for about 12 hours, between rough and finish. From there, we send them back to the laser to get laser engraved, which you'll see here. We can hit a nice, clean, black laser engraving, which is much more consistent. It also looks a lot cleaner than engraving, because over time, your engraving bit will wear out and you'll get a little bit of chatter. So laser engraving has been the way for us lately. It's clean, consistent. Everything gets serialized on the laser. After that, they go to assembly, sharpening, and then off to you.